I just returned home from picking up 15 new chickens. And as soon as these other chickens go to bed and get in the chicken house, I'll take these chickens in there and let them loose. Okay, here's my chickens. Some roosted over there. Let me put a light on. Okay, there's my chickens. Some are roosted over there, and there, up there. And now I'm gonna add the 15 new ones. Right, here's all the chickens and new ones right there and right there. And they'll figure out where to sleep tonight. They'll all get together. They'll be happy. Here's a quick demonstration of how I prepare my crabs for the chickens to eat. I remove the claw, which they don't eat. Remove the shell. Remove the devil's fingers because they're not nutritious. And then you end up with that much of that crab looks like that. And take a knife, cut right down through the crab body. Cut right down through the crab body. That exposes the meat like that. So you end up with like 4 sections of pure crab meat for the crabs to enjoy. That is what a bushel of half crabs look like. 5-gallon bucket, almost filled up. There's the kitty. Now I'm going to feed the chickens all this delicious crab meat. Which they just devour it. They love it. Turkeys are just hanging out in the background. They'll come over and eat too. They're a little shy because I'm standing here. Now the chickens are eating and they're enjoying their lunch. Okay, today we're going to be giving them some table scraps, some scratch grains, and some mealworms. Come and get it.